Hello everyone, welcome back to my next tutorial in AutoCAD. In this tutorial, we are going to model this 2D drawing in AutoCAD. For that, first go to the AutoCAD software. We are using Autodesk AutoCAD 2022. First go to the new, just go to new. Now we are in the AutoCAD window. Just open the file. For easy explanation, I'm just keeping the software right side and the image in the left side. Okay. Now, before drawing any model, first set the unit. Just enter units. Our units are in millimeter, so choose millimeter. Here choose decimal. Here our dimensions are not in the decimals, so choose 0. Choose millimeter here. Just say OK. Then we need to specify the sheet. For this, the maximum length is 120 and maximum height is 77. So we'll take around 200, 200. So this corner it will become 0, 0, and this corner we need to specify as 200, 200. This is nothing but limits. Enter limits. First lower left corner is 0, 0. Just enter it. Upper right corner is this one. So for that, which is 200, 200. Just enter. Then Z enter. A enter. That's it. Now we have centered the AutoCAD. Then we can go for start drawing it. We can take a line by using this icon also. Then we can simply take by pressing L, enter. Now we are in the line command. We can start the line wherever you want to start. I'm just going to start from this point. So just select this point. Now see, ortho mode is in disabled. So we just want to enable the ortho mode to make the line straight. So just click F8. You will get ortho mode on. Now this height is 36. Enter. Then we just want to make an inclined line. For that they mentioned a vertical distance of 33 and horizontal distance also be 33. Then you just specify 33. Enter. Then horizontal also 33. Enter. Now just switch off the ortho mode by pressing F8. Now just find the end point. This is the end point. Just select it. Right click and cancel. Now we can remove these lines. Just go for the trim. Just trim this line. That's it. Just escape it. Now we have created these two lines. Then we'll create this line. Then press L, enter. Just click here. Switch on the ortho mode by pressing F8. Now the length is 45. Just enter it. Then this dimension they are not specified it. For that just right click, cancel. Then we'll start the line from here. Then L, enter. Then horizontal line which is a distance of 120. 120, enter. Then vertical line, the distance is 44. Just 44, enter. Then just make a connection. To make a easy connection, just switch off the ortho mode by pressing F8. Now we can easily connect these 2 points. Right click, cancel. Now we have created the outer sketch. Then we'll create the circles. The diameter of the circle is 36 and the center point is X distance and Y distance are all are 36. Now take a line again. Just press it here. Now just press F8 to ortho mode on. Here you can see it is enabled. Then the distance is 36. Just enter. Vertical distance also be 36. Enter. Then right click, cancel. Then we need to create a circle. For that we can take a circle from here also. Now I am going to use a circle by using a C command. Just C, enter. It will take a circle. Specify the center point. This is the center point. Automatically it comes with the radius. Now I need to specify the diameter. Then D, enter. Now we can specify the diameter as 36. Now we have created the circle. Then we'll create one more circle. For that just take a line again. From the starting point, the distance is 84. Then vertical distance is 20. then right click, cancel. Now we just want to draw this circle, then again go for C, enter. Now we just want to specify the center point, this one. Then the diameter, so D, enter. Now specify the diameter value of 20, enter. Now we have created all the lines. Now remove unwanted lines by using trim tool. We can take a trim tool from here also. Now I am going to use a command tr, enter. It will automatically take a trim command. Then just select this line, whichever the line you don't want it. Now the line will go. Here also you will have 2 more lines, just select it. Here one more line we have, just select it. That's it. Now outer sketch we have created. Now press the escape to come out from the trim command. Now we can make a little more width. For that, simply select this sketch, just click it here, just move your cursor to the down and click it here. You will get all the sketches are selected. Now we can increase the width of the line. Just select this by layer, increase into 0.35. Then press escape. Now this is not showing now. To show that value, here there is an option called show or write line width. Then just click it here, line width it will show. If you are not getting this icon, then just click customization. Here there are 3 horizontal lines. Here you can switch on this line width. Now we can specify the dimensions. We can take a linear dimension, take a linear one. The total length from here to here, which is 120. See, the dimension is came, but it is very small. To see the proper dimension size, go for dim style, DIM-STY, just enter. Then go for modify. Here specify the arrow and symbol size as 4. Text size also make it 4. And primary units make it 0. Just say OK, then close it. Now you can able to see the dimension. Now specify the other dimension one by one. So this dimension is 36. What? Actually this dimension is 44. Then you just select it and delete it. Select it and delete it. Now take a line. So the vertical dimension is 44. Just enter. Then switch. Then you just go for 33. Enter. Right click here, 33. Enter. Just close the line. Right click, cancel. Go for trim, tr, enter. This one and this one you remove it. Then here also just remove it. This also you remove it. Now take a line again. This horizontal length is 45. Just enter. Then close the line. Right click, cancel. Now just select these lines one by one manually. Just increase the width to 0.35. Then all the lines are in the same dimension. Now we can go for the specifying the dimension. The dimension is 44. Now it is coming correctly. Then we can go for this dimension from this point to this point, which is 33, and again go for this dimension from here to here, which is 33, again from this point to this point, which is 45. Now we can specify other dimension as this one is 44. Here we can specify the linear dimension from the center point to this distance is 84, and similarly from this point to this center point to this horizontal distance is 36. Then we can specify this vertical distance from this center point to here, the distance is 36. Similarly this distance is 20. Just move here and just place it here. Then we just want to specify the diameter. For that, just go here, diameter, just click it here. This one is 36. And again you just go and specify the diameter, which is 20. Just escape it. Now we have finished the same model in AutoCAD. To view this in a layout one, just go to the layout one. Just switch off the grid. Go to the paper. Switch off the grid. Now you can see this width. Now we can take a snap tool. We can use the snap to take the image also. Now just go to the model. In that we have finished how to model the same 2D drawing of this one in AutoCAD. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, please share to friends. For more videos, please subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching my videos. Thank you.